Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you are doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called Payout Project. Okay, so payoutproject.com, and you're wondering, can you really join and just get paid? And if you're unemployed and you use the internet daily, can you really just start making $500 weekly with Payout Project? That's about $2,000 a month. That's a pretty big income claim. Okay, so let's check this website out. Let's find out if it's real or fake, or whether this is a good use of your time. Now, at any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below, and I'll send you my favorite strategy straight to your email. You can check that out. Okay. Now, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money on the internet. All sorts of websites like this, which are quote unquote free. All right, some paid websites, lots of surveys, GPT style websites, all sorts of different business models, tons of courses, and some of them are really good and you can potentially make a lot of money, full-time income, even more. Some of them are very difficult, they pay you very little money, and some of them are just straight up fake. Okay, so let's take a look at Payout Project to see whether Payout Project is real or not. All right, so the first thing that I always look at on a website is the way that it looks. All right, the English, does it seem like a professional website? All right, and if you take a look at this website, it doesn't look very good, first of all. Okay, it's got multiple different fonts on it. It's just not very professional. If you are a student, unemployed, use internet daily, that's not even proper grammar right there. You use Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter, you can see how the font is, bigger and smaller. It's very weird. Yes, again, the spacing's all funny here, right? Then you can start part-time job and get paid for the work from payoutproject.com, internet marketing up to $500 weekly. Again, a bit of a, weird English there, right? Earn $5 to $8 for every small task of 2 minutes. Sign up today and get bonuses, all right? And then it says 20 jobs only, $100 payout at the end of each month, 50 jobs only, $250 payout of each month, and then 100 jobs only, $500 and payout instant. Okay, so we're gonna come back to this so that you can actually see whether this is real or not, right? And then it says, it's got the top paying countries right here. Again, you don't really know if that's real or not. They're just putting that info there to make it seem like it's legit. Okay, but if you read this English, it's not very good. Okay, so Payout Project is a large-scale marketing company in the United States of America. Why would they even say that in the first place? It's very weird, right? It was founded in 2001 and paying its members for doing tasks and activities which are given to them. Join the website and perform your tasks to get rewards. There is no fee, there is no any fee, no any membership fee, and no any paid thing. All is free. That is just weird English right there, okay? So again, look, I'll give it the benefit of the doubt, but generally speaking, I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different websites and platforms and courses, right? And anytime the English isn't very good, there's usually big red flags with that particular website. All right, so if you decide to log in here, I wouldn't necessarily log in. If you're gonna log in, please use an email that you don't really use all the time, right? But I logged in, and basically what's on the other page is just a very, very simple basic page where they basically give you a link to promote payoutproject.com. That's it. And then what they say is every time you promote that link and someone clicks on your link, they will pay you $5 for getting a click to your link, which is crazy. Okay, that's it. So it's really weird. They play it off as if this is kind of like a micro task website. That means they've got lots of different jobs. Maybe you can do a translation job, transcribing job, virtual assistant job, maybe create a social media account, that kind of thing, right? But it's not like that at all. Actually, all it is a link that actually they tell you to basically spam Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, things like that. And when somebody clicks on the link, all that happens is it leads them back to this website right here, Payout Project, so that people can join and basically do the same thing that you're doing. Now, here's a weird thing, okay? They say that they're going to pay you $5 for every time someone clicks on your referral link to payoutproject.com. I've been doing this a long time, and I have seen many, many different business models and pages. I've invested a lot of money into these business models as well. There is absolutely no way that a website like this can pay you $5 for a click, because the business model doesn't make sense. The revenue model for them doesn't make sense. They're not showing any ads. How are they actually making money? That's a very important thing to always analyze whenever you're looking at a website. How are they actually making money? And so they're not actually making any money. There's no way. There's no ads. There's nothing being shown. And so the only thing that I can come up with is that they are selling your data. Okay, username, password. When you sign up, they collect that data from you. They can sell it on the black market. There's lots of websites that I've reviewed that are fake websites where they do that. It's basically an information harvesting scam. Okay, so just be very, very careful. The other thing is, even though they say that you do $100 and you can get paid out that month, $250 and you get paid out that month, when you actually log in, it says that the minimum for you to get paid is $800, and they only pay by check, which means that they're lying on their front page, because here they're saying that you can get paid out $100 at the end of the month through PayPal, check, Western Union, and wire transfer, which is not true, because on the next page it says they only pay out by check and a minimum of $800. So again, a lot of red flags with this website. It sounds too easy. There is no way any website would pay you anywhere close to $5 just for sharing a link. And also, you don't want to be spamming your link all over Facebook and Instagram and TikTok, right? Because these social media accounts will shut your account down when you spam. You never ever want to spam online, right? At this day and age, social media platforms are very clever. Their AI is very good. If they see you spamming, they're just going to shut you down there and then. So I wouldn't even risk it, okay? So if you've seen this website, payoutproject.com, I would just stay clear of this. It doesn't make sense, okay? Share a link, get paid $5. It just sounds way too easy. Look, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. And there's just too many red flags for a website like this. I wouldn't even check this out at all. Don't waste your time with this. Just skip it. There's so many other ways that you can make real money online, and this isn't one of them. All right. But if you're here watching this video right now, you're probably looking for a way to generate more income online, and there are a lot of different ways to make money on the internet. Like I mentioned earlier, some of them are very difficult, some of them are not real. But for me, the best way for a beginner to get to their first $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, is one very particular strategy. It's my favorite ways till today. Go ahead and click the link below, and I will send you my favorite strategy straight to your email. You can check that out if you would like. All right, I wish you all the best, and I hope to see you on another video review. Take care.